With the rise of cloud computing, cybersecurity has become a crucial concern for businesses. A strong cybersecurity culture can help protect a company's data and systems from cyber threats. Google Cloud offers a range of training programs that can help businesses build a strong cybersecurity culture. Let's explore how to use Google Cloud training programs to build a strong cybersecurity culture and identify some top benefits of having a strong cybersecurity culture in your cloud environment. The first step in building a strong cybersecurity culture is to assess your company's needs. This will help you identify areas where training is needed. Google Cloud offers a range of training programs, from basic courses to advanced certifications, so it's essential to choose the right program that matches your company's needs. Once you have identified the areas where training is needed, it's time to choose the right Google Cloud training program. Google Cloud offers a range of training programs, including self-paced courses, instructor-led classes, and certification programs. It's essential to choose the program that matches your company's learning style and schedule. Google Cloud offers a range of certification programs that can help businesses certify their employees in different areas of cybersecurity. Certifying employees can help ensure that they have the necessary skills and knowledge to protect the company's data and systems from cyber threats. Despite your best efforts, your organization may still fall victim to a cyber attack. To mitigate the damage, it's essential to have a security incident response plan in place. This plan should outline the steps that employees should take in the event of a security breach, including who to contact, what information to gather, and how to contain the damage. Building a strong cybersecurity culture requires more than just technical skills. It requires a culture of learning where employees are encouraged to stay up to date on the latest threats and technologies. Google Cloud offers a range of resources, including webinars, white papers, and blogs that can help employees stay informed and engaged. I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in fast-tracking your tech career behind certifications for today's most in-demand roles.